when he's in hospital, the nation is worried. His fans across the country and the world are holding pujas for him. They're frantic to find out who he is. And to tell us that tonight, joining us is his elder daughter, Aishwarya. Aishwarya, thank you very much for joining me tonight. Now, we spoke around 2 weeks ago when your father was in hospital, and many were worried when he returned so soon. Tell his fans, tell all the viewers out there, how exactly is he now?
He's really recovering well, and first of all, I would like to say a heartfelt thanks to each and every soul that's been praying for him in this nation, because actually we're going through such a stressful time, and really you've been such a support to our family, and we really can't thank you enough, and we're so grateful to each and every one of you sitting at home in temples, abroad, praying for him. It means a lot to us, and I believe that very strongly that medicine can only help, but all your prayers will definitely cure him.
Could you tell us, Aishwarya, how exactly he is today? The medical bulletin in the afternoon said he's feeling better. What could you say today about how he is today?
Yes, just before coming here, I fed him food. He's definitely recovering really well, and he's watching a bit of TV and listening to music. He needs a lot of rest, and the doctors are doing their part, and we are doing our part, and you're doing your part by supporting us.
Of course, every time, with a superstar like this, perhaps it's natural, but there are always these rumors spread about how he actually is, rumors about dialysis, etc. What would you like to say to dispel rumors?
No, I would just like to say that you don't need to sensationalize something like this because it's already big. So if you really want to convey something to his fans and really want to say something true, I think every channel or every press should definitely cross-check with us, because we are not inaccessible. We are here we pick up your phones. Because people sitting at home and fans sitting somewhere are all very, very concerned.
Yes.
And we wouldn't want any kind of adverse effect because you've conveyed something wrong. So we would like to just request everybody that whatever we are saying is true. Please believe us and do not believe rumors at all, because we're not going to lie to you.
Of course, and I have to say that I do appreciate how you, your sister, your mother have taken the time out always to speak to us and the media and clarify the exact position. But just on a slightly happier note, of course, I'd like to also congratulate you, because your husband Dhanush has just won the National Award for Best Actor, the youngest actor to do so, and he dedicated it to your father, Rajnikant. So tell us, has there been a mix between being at the hospital and thinking of how to celebrate?
Actually, the news came in at a very ironical situation for us, but it was definitely a silver lining to the grey cloud right now for our family, and Appa was extremely thrilled, and he's always proud of Dhanush, and is very critical about what he does and how he does his films. So I think he's a very proud father-in-law today.
Right, Aishwarya, thank you so much for joining us tonight, and all the best for a speedy recovery for your father, and thank you for clarifying that he is well and well on the way to recovery. Thank you, Aishwarya.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And that's it on the show tonight. Thank you all for watching. Lots more ahead on NDTV. Keep watching. From all of us here, goodbye.